Hi! Hello everyone! Hello world! Mabuhay! Once again, I'm Hanisel of Nikki Life. Kamusta naman ang buhay-buhay ng ating mga person? Hello mga sweeties at ating mga kaniki all over the world. Comment down kung taga saan ka para alam natin kung saan naaabot ang video na ito. Umpisa na natin. Tara, let's! Uy, ano to? Ay, ito pa. Uy, ang dami ah. Here are some of the proof of income ng person. And here is my profile having more than 1 million views here on Nikki Life. Nikki Life played a big role in my life. I met new friends, gained new friends, new supporters. Also, the experience aside from that, I've been earning at the same time. I joined Nikki last November. Before, I was earning only through tasks. But now, upon joining Nikki Life's available event, I'm receiving more extra income and earnings. And it won't stop. I am very happy that I joined Nikki Life. For me, it's the best platform ever. Our quota here is on a weekly basis. So, masasabi natin na this is a fast-pacing app. But at the same time, our beans are accumulated so nothing goes to waste. We can withdraw anytime we want with a minimum withdrawal of $10. And now, here are some tips I can share with you so you can keep earning here in Nikki Life. First, go live daily, do your daily tasks, and live tasks. Join or create an agency, pero you are welcome to join our agency. Just send me a message so we can help you to get started. Tara, let's! Join Nikki Live's events available. At syempre, higit sa lahat, magkakaroon ka ng maraming confidence, lakas ng loob, at tibay ng dibdib. Yan ang aking natutunan dito sa Nikki Life. One of the advantages in joining Nikki Life. Again, fast cash out, manual customer service are always available to help. Nikki Life opens opportunity and events for their hosts. They also helping both agency and host relation in the best manner possible. And all of these advantages tips at kung ano-ano pa. Hindi ka pa rin ba convinced? Tara, join ka na. Mag-download ka na ng Nikki Life app. Subukan mo na mga bossing. Magbabago ang buhay-buhay natin sa ikabubuti. Magkakaroon ka na ng bagong kapamilya, kaibigan, at the same time, kumikita ka pa. Tara!